supplies and get truckerized today.
Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a truckerized tuner report for Forrest in Florida. Forrest got you ready to go, bud. Thing's rocking and rolling. All the options. Got your amp switch back here on the back and this high cut switch. Let's let all that white noise go away. Nice. All right, let's get right to it. Gonna roll the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. 5 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run a 6 peel, which is very popular that we sell with this model. 40 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 85 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. And about 180 peak. Forrest is ready to come to you. We've got your modified wideband SRA-198 here. That's also an option as well. And get this out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your truckerized tune today. Truckerized.